How you doing, all ladies and gents? Right, so I've been searching for destinations to visit in UK and came by Jurassic Coast. It looks absolutely amazing. We're en route there, so keep tuned and let's get going, yo. And we'll check it out. Cheese! To go, and yeah, typical, stuck in traffic, but do you know what, it's a magnificent day and yeah, let's just make the most of it. Dude, looks like a lovely area. We're not too far now. Woo, splendid. Shall we go for a cheeky point? No, I'm joking, don't drink drive, yeah. Anyone who loves driving and long drives, it took me like what, 3 hours to get here. Some spectacular roads, like look at this is amazing. No traffic, nothing, just cruise along, and yeah, do you know what, so far thumbs up. Woo! It's like going into some secret entrance or something, like very hidden. Let's go. Let's take a walk down to the dirt floor. It's pretty famous in what I saw on the internet, but check these views out. Wow, absolutely amazing. It's not being abroad. It looks like it's just getting better. Fantastic. So it's £10 to park your car for the whole day, but do you know what, it's worth it. Come out with a family on a spectacular day like this and just enjoy it and admire the beautiful views. Wow, this is amazing. Is famous turtle door, what I saw on the Googles, and wow, that is like super busy. Stairs going down there. Wow. Right, we're gonna try finding a place where it's less busy and hopefully get some drone footage out for you and get to explore like this beautiful area even better. Bird's eye view, would be rude not to. Now we're going to walk all the way up there. Might not look that far up, but damn it is. Let's do it. Look at that. Nice sandy beaches. practically looks like you're abroad. Definitely recommend coming to visit. Right, it's time to walk up this big hill. Let's do it. Don't know whether this is the easiest route, but let's go. Don't know how easy it's going to be coming back down either. Yo, walking up here is not a joke, yo. Damn. But we're nearly there. No quitting, no giving up. Let's do it. Right, ladies and gents, so that is Jurassic Coast. What an amazing place. Definitely would recommend come visiting if you're going to do a day trip or something. Maybe even book a hotel or something, stay longer. But as always, if you've liked this video, please hit that like button, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, we'll get some more content up. And yeah, stay blessed. Love you all. Take care. Time to make the journey back down to London. Peace.